I will compare the new Huawei Pura 70 Ultra with Redmi K70 Pro. Huawei Pura 70 Ultra comes with 6.8 inches LTPO LED display and success ratio 21:9. Redmi K70 Pro comes with 6.67 inches OLED display and success ratio 20:9. Huawei Pura 70 Ultra run on the Harmonious operating system. Redmi K70 Pro run on the Android 14 operating system. Huawei Pura 70 Ultra it comes with 16GB RAM and 512GB 1TB internal storage. Kirin 9010 processor and small GPU. Redmi K70 Pro it comes with 12GB, 16GB, 24GB RAM and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 8GB Adreno 750. Huawei Pura 70 Ultra real set triple camera setup 50MP plus 50MP plus 40MP, front camera 13MP. Redmi K70 Pro real set triple camera setup 50MP plus 50MP plus 12MP, front camera 16MP. Huawei Pura 70 Ultra 5200 mAh battery, 100W fast charging support. Redmi K70 Pro 5000 mAh battery, 120W fast charging support.